to Adventures in Everyday Cooking, where every day can be an adventure in your kitchen. And today's adventure, we're going to Disney World. Well, actually, we're just staying here under shelter in place. No Disney World for us. But we are going to try out a recipe that has been circulating Facebook and TikTok and the internet, all the places. We're gonna do Dole Whip. And this should be a quick, easy video. Should be done in 5 minutes if I can keep my mouth shut. So let's just get started. So apparently this is super easy and this is all it takes. You need 1 can of pineapple, and then you want to freeze your pineapple in the freezer apart from the juice. So I went ahead and froze this a couple days ago in anticipation for this video. And we are gonna put the whole can of pineapple into our blender. The next thing we want is we want 4 ounces or half of a cup of the pineapple juice that was inside of that can. There was more than 4 ounces, make sure you measure it out, and that's about half of a cup. The next thing we need is 1/2 cup of ice cream. So I just have a vanilla ice cream here. This is a French vanilla, and I'm just gonna measure it out into my dish there. That looks like a half of a cup. And that's it. That's all the recipe says. So we are going to replace our blender lid. We're gonna turn our blender on. All right. We're gonna use our little tamper here and we are gonna click it to smoothie. Oops, that's custom blend. Click it to smoothie and go. All right, ready? We're done. Let's taste. Woo! Let's pour it out into our little bowl here. Oh, yes! Look at that! It works! So if you were gonna get fancy, you would put it in a piping bag and pipe it all together into a nice smooth something. But it is too hot today to get fancy, so we're just gonna use a spoon, smooth it on out, and give it a good taste. All right, let's give it a taste. That transports me back to Disney World. No. Actually, I've never been to Disney World, so I just have to guess if this is what that tastes like, but this tastes pretty good. So if you've been to Disney World and you're hankering for some Dole Whip, you should try this recipe. Quick, easy, painless, and pretty delicious. All right, that's all I got for you. Hope you enjoyed this. Woo! Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a like, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel. We have fun, we go on adventures here. I hope you'll join me on the next one. All right, you guys, bye. I wonder how much they pay for these at Disney World. Probably way, way too much. But it's good. It's really good. I know why they, yeah. It's a good recipe.